Hey, how's it going, everyone? Sean Tech here. I've got some great news about my PlayStation 4 controller. It's been a couple of days since I made the repair, and the repair looks like it worked. Like, when I first plugged this thing in, I was getting a problem. So the original problem was that on my analog stick, that when I hit it like this, like I hit it like a little bit to the right analog stick to the right, and I let it go back to the normal position, it would think that it was stuck there, right? And so what I did was I watched a video. I did a little bit of some research, like a minimum amount of research, and I just went inside and I tried to fix it. All right, and what I tried to do was to basically take one of the analog stick rotors off, clean it out, and I did find a little bit of some gunk on the inside of there. If I had to classify it more, it almost seemed more like it was like maybe a grease of some sort. I don't know. It nothing. I've only used this maybe a total of like 10 hours. I'm not like a heavy gamer or anything like that. Either way, though, like I was just surprised that like out of the minimum use that I got this thing, that it was busted. So I figured I was like, well, maybe I'm just the unlucky person that got a bad one, or maybe I dropped it or something like that. I don't know. So I opened it up. I fixed it. I opened it up with the four screws that are on the back of it. I took it apart. I cleaned it up. I put it back together again. I got all excited. I put it on the video, and I was like, oh my gosh, this stick works. But this stick did not work anymore. This stick seemed like it was almost like permanently stuck, just slightly veering to the left. So like on my menu screen, it would like think that I was going to the left. But I actually just powered on my system a couple of days later after this, and it works. Everything about this seems like it's actually in a working condition. So I don't know if it's something that like software does, or I don't know. I flat out don't know. So, but I'm considering it a success. So, because man, was I tired when I was making that video, and I'm still pretty tired, kind of as we're speaking as this right now, but not quite as much though. But I'm happy. I'm happy that I got my PlayStation 4 controller back to a working shape, and I'm hoping other people can learn from how that's done and maybe get lucky like I did and not have to spend $50 on a brand new controller. So something that really didn't require a lot of extra tools. So, but anyway, I just wanted to give you an update on that because I just saw that. I'm excited. I don't actually think I'm going to play it right now. I just wanted to know. I was like, is it really broken? Like that's what I did. I turned on the video game system. I started playing. I was like, is it really broken? Do I really have to open it up back again for a second time? And I was all prepared for it. I'm like, I got the tools. I got my toolkit sitting right there with my screwdrivers, and I've got my tweezers, and I've got my tray, and I've got everything else that's on there. So I was like, well, I was about ready to do it, but yeah, I don't have to. So hooray. Hooray is what it is. Hooray indeed. All right. So anyway, tell me what you thought about the video. Comments about it if you want to down in the comments below. I'm really excited about it. I might actually sit down and play a little bit of some some PlayStation of some sort with it on there. So yeah, but anyway, let me know if you have any comments or anything like that, like or dislike, whatever the heck people do on YouTube. I don't even know these days. And we'll catch you around on the next video, all right? See you later. Bye-bye.